We'll start this project with a large brush and yellow paint. We'll paint a large yellow circle in the middle of the artwork. Next, you can wipe your brush and dip it in orange paint. We'll paint with orange around yellow circle. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in yellow to blend yellow and orange. You can wipe your brush one more time and repeat the same step. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in red paint and cover the rest of the painting in red. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in orange to blend orange and red. You can use a little bit of water to blend. We'll use medium-sized brush and black paint to create a horizon line. We'll paint a hill on the right and the left side. Now we can paint everything below our outline. Next, we'll start painting a tree. It will be bent to the left side. The tip should be thinner than the bottom of the tree. We'll switch to a small brush to paint branches. Next, we'll start painting a house. We'll create an outline of a rectangle on the left hill. Then we'll add a triangle roof on top. Now we'll paint outline of a large window. We'll add couple lines connecting top and bottom and left and right side of the window. You can paint in the roof and everything around the window. We'll add another part of the house by adding a slightly bent to the right rectangle. We'll create an outline of triangle roof and then we'll paint it in. Next, we'll add a window in the middle. We'll paint straight lines connecting top and bottom and right and left sides. Next, we'll add another rectangle between first two. We'll paint a triangle roof and round window before painting it in. Next, we'll add a porch on the right side. We'll start by creating two straight lines. The one on the bottom will be slightly longer than the one on top. After connecting edges, you can paint the space in. Next, we'll add a vertical line on the right. We'll connect middle of this line to the house. We'll add couple more shorter lines. Using tip of your brush, you can add lines to the round window. Next, we'll paint a chimney with a triangle on top. You can add small brush strokes next to the tree to paint grass. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in white paint. We'll paint an outline of the ghost. Then you can paint it in. We'll paint an arm on each side. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in yellow paint. We'll paint almond-shaped eyes on top of black background. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in black paint. To paint a bat, we'll start by creating a circle in the sky. Then we'll add a curved line on each side. To paint bottom part of the wing, we'll create many small arches connected to each other. Now you can paint in both wings. We'll add two small ears on top of the head. Next, you can add two black oval eyes for a ghost. We'll add couple black brush strokes on top of the ghost. Then we'll blend it with white paint. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in black paint and add a dot on top of each yellow eye. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.